Hey there, what's going on everybody? Welcome to another video on the channel. Today we're going to be doing a Carson Valley $24.99 grab bag. Promises $50 value, which is double the value. So let's go ahead and get into this grab bag and see what we're going to get. Tear right in and dump this bad boy out. Boom. Alright, getting right into it. We got a 1990 proof San Francisco, looking at $8 on that is what it claims to be. Pretty good looking nickel. Next we have a 2000p MS65 graded, is what he grades it at unofficially. $3 is what he has on there. 2005 Denver MS65 is what he grades it at. $10. Wow, that's pretty high. I don't know what's up with that. Next we have a 1973 MS63 Eisenhower dollar. Nice looking dollar. Yeah, pretty good looking dollar. Next up, I'm guessing this is a proof. Yes it is, a 1960 proof penny. It says LD. What does LD mean? I'm actually not sure, but cool. Next up, we got a dime. What is this gonna be? 1964 Denver. Nice, very good looking silver dime there. Next up, we got a Buffalo nickel. VF is what he has it as. 1937. You can read the date very, very clearly there. Has it marked at $3. Next up, we got a V nickel. Yes, I love my V nickels. Ooh, $18.99. All right. Has it marked it good for $2? That's a fair price. And last but not least, we have a 1907 very fine details. Ooh, it's actually not that bad looking wheat cent. So yeah, that wraps it up for this grab bag. Did we win? Did we lose? Let me know in the comments below, and hopefully I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Keep stacking, keep clacking. Later. Hey everybody, Stacking and Clacking here. Just wanted to give a quick thank you to all of you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys really did enjoy. If you guys did, please leave a thumbs up for me and give me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of these coin grab bag videos. It encourages me to make more once you guys like and comment. So please let me know how you felt about it, and I'll see you guys again very soon. Keep stacking, keep clacking. See you guys again. Peace.